The Dominican Republic's economy is set to expand by around 6% this year as construction and tourism continue to bolster one of the fastest growing countries in the region. With me to discuss how this translates into the banking sector is Luis Espinola, Executive VP of International Business and Private Banking from Banco Popular Dominicano. Luis, the Dominican's economy is flourishing, and last year you also reported strong growth. What's the main driving forces behind this?
The Dominican economy grew 7% in GDP last year, led by construction, especially in the affordable housing, hotels, schools, and other infrastructures, as well as the financial services and trade sectors. This growth was achieved through a low inflation scenario of 2.3% and a very stable exchange rate. At the same time, we had tremendous inflows from tourism, free trade zone exports, remittances, and foreign investments.
Banks in the Dominican Republic are among the strongest within Latin America, with 15.08% of solvency, according to a recent report from Falaban. How do you think this goal has been accomplished?
For the last 12 years, we've been under a new and modern monetary and financial law, and supervision since then has shifted, if you will, from a more compliance-based supervision that it was before to a more risk-based supervision under international guidelines set by the Basel Committee. This, in addition to new competitors that we have in our marketplace, has strengthened the bank's willingness to continue to increase capital and thus not only maintaining their market share but also their competitiveness.
SMEs are said to be driving the economy. How does the banking sector facilitate them?
We have offered our SMEs a unique platform, which we call Impulsa or Impulse Popular, through which not only we customize their products and services needs, but also we offer them training workshops in important areas for them, such as accounting, finance, marketing, and export facilitation. At the same time, we offer them multiple capabilities, such as the PayPal exclusive partnership we have, which permits our SMEs to grow their e-commerce sales. We continue to partner with the SMEs to open what we call bank subagents in their locations throughout our country, and thus facilitating financial inclusion in communities we don't have a typical branch located with SME partners.
Of course, worldwide, the banking sector is undergoing a digital revolution. How are you responding?
We have enhanced our mobile and internet capabilities. Our website now, we're very proud of this, is a leader in the financial services in terms of monthly visits. We have more than 3.5 million. Just in last year alone, our customers transacted more than 13 million transactions at our site. We have launched a new version of our app, which makes up the process for our customers more seamless, permits our customers to review all the products and services options available to them, compare, and request and do their applications online and receive immediate responses. We provide digital wallets through which not only our customers, but unbanked customers can do different transactions through their mobile cell phones on their prepaid accounts, and that also has the advantage of enhancing financial inclusion.
And in terms of challenges moving forwards, what does the banking sector face and how are you overcoming these?
As our customers' needs change exponentially, in example, the millennials and Generation Y, so does the bank, and all of us have to adapt quickly and be able to respond to those needs accordingly. Critical challenge is availability. In our world today, customers demand and expect availability 24/7 through all of our different channels. And finally, but not less important, efficiency. We have to be able to continue to produce low cost services in a very automatic manner.
Well, finally, what's your strategy for future growth?
I think that our chairman and CEO, Mr. Manuel Grullón, better summarized our future strategy with the phrase innovation for inclusion. We will continue to lead the digital transformation for present and future customers, while at the same time continue our focus in the dynamic segments of our marketplace: tourism, corporate businesses, small and medium enterprises, and retail and private customers.
Thank you for watching. You can find out more about Banco Popular at worldfinance.com, and please subscribe for more stories about the Latin American banking sector as well as all the latest insights from World Finance.